You are welcome to my another class of embryology. In this session, we are going to discuss about the types of placentation. What do you mean by a placentation? The placentation is the arrangement of ovules within the ovary. The ovary may contain one to many ovules, which may be attached to the ovary wall or to the central axis. The main functions of the placenta: it helps in the transfer of nutrients, respiratory gases, and water from maternal tissue to the growing embryo. In some instances, it helps in the removal of waste from the embryo. In a simple ovary formed from one carpel, there is only one type of placentation. Whereas in compound ovaries, the placentation may be parietal, axile, free central, basal, or superficial. The first one is the marginal type. Here the ovary is single chamber and the ovules are attached to along the ventral suture, along the fused margins of the carpel, that is ventral suture, as in case of the pea, gram, beans, etc. This is the longitudinal section and this is the transverse section. Dorsal suture, and this is the ventral suture to which the ovules are attached. The second one is the parietal placentation. Here the ovary is compound and unilocular. The margins of the carpels swell up to form a placenta as found in cucumber, watermelon, brassica, etc. In axile placentation, the gynoecium is polycarpellary and syncarpous. The placenta are located on the central column, and partitions from the central column to the ovary wall create chambers. These are also called as thylakoles. The number may differ from plant to plant. For example, in potato only 2 chambers are there. In euphorbia 6 chambers. Likewise, it differs. Another type is basal placentation. The ovary is unilocular and the placenta develops directly on the thalamus, and the single ovule is attached to the placenta at the base of the ovary, as in case of the sunflower. This is the ovule and this is the ovary. In free central type, the ovary is compound and unilocular. The ovules are borne on the central axis arising from the base of the ovary and not fused margins of the carpels. Examples: dianthus, primrose, etc. The ovary wall, the locule, ovule, this is the placenta, and the central axis. The another type, that is the superficial. The ovules present all over the inner wall surface of the ovary, which may be syncarpus or apocarpus in nature. Ovary wall, locule and the ovules. Septum. So these are all the ovules. Thank you.